Hey guys, Catherine here. Quick one today. I am going to be showing you how I do a cash pocket for paper. It's really great for holding receipts or cash money, and it is just a pocket that you can slide things into. It is going to be going on this side, the opposite side of the cards. So it is going to be lined up over here, and it's going to be using this flap that we left hanging over from the cards to begin with. This is a piece that is exactly the same size as the back piece for the checkbook holder. That is 8 by 3. And I'm going to just take and do the exact same thing, the same way that we started off with the piece for the checkbook holder, and run glue down 3 sides, leaving the one of the long sides unglued. That way it is open and creates the pocket for the paper, receipts, and money to stick into. Then I'm going to take and just flip that over, and facing that side that doesn't have glue towards the spine. I didn't say that last time. The scored part that divides your book in half. And do the exact same thing that I did last time. Line it up with an equal distance between the top and the bottom and from the edge. And actually I'm going to slide it a little closer to the edge. And then take the iron and iron that down. Just do the bottom. There we go, and then the top. And this one is going to be a short video today. It's not got a lot to it, so I think I'll probably go see if we can't make sure that it's quick, because it's not involved, this one. It's not an involved process to do this one. Alright, that is stuck down, and then take the glue and run it along the edge of the flap that's overhanging for the paper. There we are, and then fold that over and stick it down. And this is where the iron comes really in handy, because this doesn't want to stick down on its own. It will have a tendency to lift. You can see it lifting there, which if you can get a flat thing on it, a flat heavy thing like a book on it fast enough, shouldn't be a problem. But just makes it so much easier by doing it this way. There we go. And then the top and the bottom pieces. And for the top and the bottom pieces, what I have done is take exactly one of those same strips as before, one of the 5.5 strips, cut the corners at a 45-degree angle, and then what I did was I cut it down that spine where I normally would leave it hanging over the edge, because this is on the opposite side for the cards, and this one does not have edges coming over the top and the bottom. Go, and then I will just take and run glue on that. And place it right up to the top edge, just to give it that nice finishing look. Go, and then set the iron on and press it for a second. Oh, that's going to want a little extra glue under this edge, because I do not want that lifting. And what I think I will do is grab a bit of paper towel and use that to press it down, because it is going to smudge out. There we go, and And then the bottom portion, the exact same way. Take it, line it up. There we are. Set it on. And then make sure everything's all lined up, and then press it down. And that's basically it, guys. That creates a pocket, and it's all finished and nice looking with those nice tucked corners. And that should do it. All right, one pocket for paper, done. See y'all later, and let me know if you still like these. I can do videos for other things too, and we have got one side left to go. So let me know what you think, and I look forward to hearing from you.